Good morning, traders. Nick Mastrandrea, Market Tea Leaves, here to bring you our daily market bias video for Monday, October 14th. It's approximately 5:30 a.m. on the East Coast. Today's Columbus Day, and as such, there was a bank holiday in the U.S. If we were to take a look at the overnight session in Asia, Asia closed pretty much mixed, if you will, and there's a reason why I'm saying that. If we were to look at this, it would appear as though most of Asia closed to the high side. However, please bear in mind that the Japanese Nikkei exchange was closed for a bank holiday, and therefore there was no trading. This number that you see here is basically from Friday, so you need to keep that in mind. The Australian index closed down fractionally, as did Singapore. Currently, right now in Europe, Europe is pretty much mixed, if you will. London is trading fractionally higher, but the other exchanges are trading lower. Now, if we were to take a look at market correlation as it stands, currencies, currencies in terms of US dollars trading low. Energies in terms of crude is trading higher. There is correlation between the US dollar and crude as of this writing. In terms of the financials are trading fractionally higher. However, the indices, quite frankly, are trading way low. The S&P is down 48 ticks, or 12 full points. NASDAQ the same. Basically, the Dow Jones Industrial Average is trading in triple-digit territory to the downside. Metals in terms of gold is trading higher. As far as economic news, I mean, there really isn't any today, at least for the U.S. markets. And as such, the markets themselves are left to their own devices. Basically, folks, our bias is to the downside today. And the reason why we're saying that is there's an old adage in the markets that say trade what you see. In theory, these markets should be correlated to the upside. However, when I take a look at the indices and I take a look at what's happening there, it only tells me that the market is poised to drop lower, and probably much lower. Now, the reason for this is pretty much because of the political impasse that we're seeing in D.C. right now. As many of you probably know, the Senate did meet over the weekend and tried to come up with some kind of a debt ceiling deal. That has not happened, and at this particular point, doesn't appear to be happening. So, as such, I think that the markets are aware of this, and they are reacting accordingly. Therefore, our bias is to the downside today. Thanks. Hope this helps. Look forward to the next time with you.